CES in Las Vegas, LG unveiled its new AI-powered robot CLOiD, and instead of presenting it as a simple machine, the idea is introduced like a mystery unfolding inside a modern home. What if a house could think, observe, decide, and act without asking you to lift a finger? What if chores disappeared not because they were done faster, but because they were done before you even noticed them? What kind of intelligence would be required for a machine to understand fabric, timing, priority, and daily human routines? And how would different appliances behave if they stopped working alone and started cooperating like a single brain? These questions form the core of CLOiD's purpose, which LG describes as the foundation of a zero-labor home, a home where physical effort is no longer a daily requirement, but a background process handled by artificial intelligence. CLOiD is not designed as a standalone robot performing isolated tricks. Instead, it acts as an intelligent central coordinator that connects with multiple home appliances and manages them as a unified system. Its AI does not merely execute commands but understands context, meaning it can recognize situations, determine what needs to be done, and decide how and when to do it. One of the most striking demonstrations of this intelligence is laundry automation, long considered the missing piece in smart home technology, because while washing machines and dryers became smart, humans were still required to move clothes between them and handle folding. CLOiD breaks this barrier by physically taking laundry out of the washer, transferring it to the dryer, and even folding towels, solving what many experts have called the holy grail of smart appliances. This capability is not about mechanical movement alone, but about understanding materials, knowing when a wash cycle is complete, selecting appropriate drying conditions, and handling fabric carefully, all without human input. Beyond laundry, CLOiD is designed to manage a wide range of household tasks, acting as a silent helper that reduces the daily burden on family members, especially those with busy schedules or limited physical ability. The robot communicates directly with connected appliances, gathers data from them, and adjusts settings automatically, such as modifying wash intensity based on dirt levels or choosing gentle cycles for delicate fabrics. This level of appliance connectivity transforms individual machines into a coordinated ecosystem, where each device contributes information to a shared intelligence rather than operating independently. CLOiD's design philosophy focuses on blending into the home rather than dominating it, functioning quietly in the background, so the environment feels natural rather than robotic. LG's broader vision with CLOiD is to shift the role of technology from a tool that requires constant attention into an invisible system that anticipates needs and acts proactively.